Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mello here, and today I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of this Modelones gel polish set. This set comes with 16 different colors. It comes with a top coat and a base coat if you're using it on natural nails. It's a really good set. The bottles are actually mini size, so they are not regular size nail polishes, but it's still a good set for the price, and the fact that you get 16 colors is really great. Before we get started, real quick, just a reminder, if you're new, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it, and don't forget to hit that like button if you actually like the video. Alright, so here we go. I just opened up the box, and the one good thing I liked is that the instructions are right on the inside of the box. No extra paper or anything to have to worry about. So you just open it up and they're right there. They're stored really nicely. Each color has its own little slot, as I point out here. And there is the base coat and the top coat that it comes with. And there's two colors in there. I believe those two right there are mood color changing polishes, and as well as glitter polishes. And then there's two other glitter polishes, and then the rest colors are just plain gel polish colors. And like I said, there's 16 colors in here, as you can see. So it's a pretty cool little set. And then I've already done the swatches ahead of time because I didn't want the video to be too long. So here you can see all the swatches of all the colors. These are great summer colors in here. I especially like that yellow one. I think that's my favorite right there. And then I'm just showing you that I wrote the actual name for the colors on the little swatch sticks, just so you have the color, but the color name is actually on the back side of the bottle, so I had to take them out and flip them over to see the color name. But every color in there has a name, so I just wrote that on the sticks. And you can see the glitter colors are there in the middle, and then the other colors. The only thing I didn't too much care for, I guess it could be because I had nails on, I had to push up from the bottom to get the little bottles out of the packaging. But here I'm showing you the back, and you can see that's the color name on the back. So each bottle has its color name printed like that, and then you see the Modelones name, and there I'm showing you the just how much polish is the actual 6 ml bottle. So it's a mini size, like I said before. So it's a nice small bottle. You'll still get a few uses out of it, which I think is still pretty cool. The box is great for storing it, so it's a pretty cool box. I like it that it's nice and flat, so I can store it away real easy. And just again showing you guys real quick the colors. Very nice colors. I really like this set. Definitely recommend it. I did purchase this on Amazon, so if you're interested in it, I'll put a link to it down below. And then that's the base and top coat, and then the colors one more time. I don't know if you can see it's written there on the stick, but yeah, those are all the colors. Like I said, it's a really cool set. I'll put the link down below if you're interested. And I'll let you guys watch just to watch the colors again. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget again to subscribe if you like my content, and I appreciate all my new subscribers. Thank you so much and welcome. I promise I'll have new videos for y'all coming up soon, so stay tuned and keep watching. Thanks, guys.